We hit the club and it's cops full of jealous. We in the bag and we might get a deal. And I'm in a bad bitch and I got an idea. Oh yeah.
Hey you guys, as you can tell from the description, this is a SHEIN haul. From my other video, you probably can tell that I have on the same shirt, but we're doing everything in one day because from the last video, you guys would have known that I said that I'm very busy. I do have class at 4 o'clock and right now the time is 4 o'clock. So I don't have any time to change and do all of that because after this, I have to put on my coverall or my Dickies uniform and head to my internship. So let's get right on with this video. Okay, I got this bag from SHEIN. Yep, you can take it as like this. You can put it on your shoulder like this. You can take it in on your wrist like this, or your hand, or like this. This also can be worn as a crossbody bag. Yeah. And it has different compartments on this side, and the middle. But to the bottom, your hand literally can go through the other side, which I don't like because I like my stuff to be separated. So SHEIN, that's a problem that you have to fix. You take it up with yourself, not with me. Also, from SHEIN is this cotton shirt with the slit right here. I got this in a size medium. This shirt fits perfectly. I love this shirt so much. This is my favorite shirt. Also from SHEIN, we got these studded jeans. This make my body look so good. Like, y'all don't know how good this make my body look. There are studs everywhere on this jean. On the back pockets. On the pockets in the front. Down the sides. Around the waist. Y'all see that? This is the best jeans that I ever got from SHEIN. And it's a baggy fit and I got this in a size large. I don't know why the other one didn't fit me properly, but this one, girl, let me tell you, this is my best jeans. I'm going out tonight and I might wear this because I can't get enough of it. And who can tell me not to wear my jeans again and again and again and again and again? Because I want to keep wearing my jeans. I don't care. Another piece that they sent me is this 2-piece set. I gotta make sure my fingertips are clean because, you know, pink tip. Girl, what you talking about with pink tip? Okay, this is a turtleneck, lavender jacket. It has zips. I love the detailing, of course. I am all for detailing. I love detailing. And this is the pants that goes with it. It's a wide leg pants, as you can see. And I got this in a size. Where's the size? Let me check the jacket. Hello. I got this in a size medium. So this should fit pretty good. These nails are so sharp when you just get them done that you can cut anything. I might just wear the jeans tonight because I gotta get some shoes to wear, and I probably will wear this bag because why not? Y'all see this bag? Y'all, I don't know if because I'm in welding and I did blueprint and trade estimating, so anything that's not straight and it's a bit off, I notice it because the line on the back of this bag is not going straight across. It's literally going down. And I notice everything. Like I could be outside somebody's home and I can notice that their windows are not level. It's like, oh. It messes with my head. This bag has 3 compartments, a zip, a placing right here, and then the actual open space. And it comes with a zip part, and it also comes with these straps, so you can wear your bag as a crossbody. Hopefully this can wear as a, what? Hopefully it can wear as a crossbody bag, because baby, we love some crossbodies. Yep, it can wear as a crossbody, and it's definitely getting worn tonight. So yeah, crossbody bag. But I really love it because I love this. This is perfect for the summer. Another bag from the SHEIN Dings. This is another one. I might just wear this one. I don't know which one to wear. And this is also a crossbody bag. SHEIN, y'all love me bad. And I love y'all too. Yeah. This one is not adjustable. The other one that I just showed you guys are adjustable. This one isn't. One and done. This crossbody. This is Playfic. I love this. I might just wear this one tonight. I don't know which one I'm gonna wear. I don't see any black slippers inside my closet. So that means I have to go and get ready and go and get a black slippers. It's 4 o'clock. So gotta hit the stores before 5. And this is another piece, one of my favorites, because this is a big pants. Look at it. Oh, it's so baggy. The pockets are so huge. Y'all see that? You can't lose nothing in these pants. All of this is pocket. Do y'all see that? All of this is pockets. And these are so heavy and so big. And I got this in a size small, and look at the size of this. Like, y'all see this? Do y'all see this? Do y'all see this? This is big. This is big. And I love it so much. Y'all, let me crack my toenail. Okay, that's the same toenail I just got fixed. Okay. Lastly, I can't wait for the summer because the pieces that that SHEIN sent me, y'all can't believe it. Look at this. And I'm in the gym, so y'all know this boy looking good. Y'all see this? This is the top part of it. I don't know why they don't have this as a knot right here. Because if these things come off, yeah, I'm gonna knot the tip. But I love the detailing of the beads. And the beads right here. Y'all, my boobs are gonna look so good in these. Jesus Christ. And then this is the bottom. This is the bottom part of it. I should have gotten this in a small, because I don't think I'm thick enough for this. And I got this in size medium. So I really got to work really hard and get my gains in to fit in this. Because, baby, y'all, check me out on the screen, because I can't explain to y'all how much I love this anymore. Y'all got to see for yourself. But, however, you'll see me on the screen. Now, that doesn't mean I'm going to look like that by the time of summer. Okay? Thank you for watching this video, you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. 1 minute. Hello? You finished? Yes. You finished working? Yay! Well, anyways, I gotta go to class for a couple seconds, couple minutes. Yes, wait, 4 o'clock. I gotta go find me one shoes first, cause yeah. Real, I have class today 4 until 6. But I think I staying there all night. I telling them that I have to go because I have to get ready and be cute. I don't know what to wear, Nate. I have a baggy pants that I was gonna wear with a halter top or something, and then my curls probably can be like big. It can be like a bow. Hold on, turn on the video. I even didn't get to put my curls in yet. Okay, look, you can see.
Yeah.
So I may put on this baggy jeans, the same jeans that I wear that day when you do my hair. With the studs on it. I may wear this with this bag or this bag.
I like her too.
Right. And then let me stop. Okay, you guys, that is it for this video. I actually was on the phone picking out my outfit. That is not it for this video. I was picking out my outfit for tonight. And I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to wear tonight. Because the same bag that I told you guys that I will wear, I am definitely wearing tonight. So, I'm wearing this bag. With these kidding heels. The studded jeans. This is a top. This is not a panty. And this top. I'm going to put it on the screen so you guys can see how the outfit came together. And I think I'm going to make my hair really big. I'm going to try my best to make this into some big curls. Or put some curls at the end. I don't know. I'm going to do something. But that is the video. That is it for this video, you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit that bell so you can be notified when I upload a new video. And subscribe. Bye, you guys.
What's the word? Tell me what you heard.